my last and final birthday toy review. Yes, this is my last birthday present that I haven't unwrapped out the packaging. I mean, I've unwrapped it from the wrapping paper, but I haven't taken out the box yet. This has been sitting in my room for nearly a month. Because my birthday, if we go to Sunday of this week, my birthday was a month ago. So this has been sitting in my room for about 3 weeks. So I need to open this because we're halfway through November now. If you can't already tell, this is Pinkie Pie Seashell lagoon, and I love this. And what I find kind of strange, right up there, it says adult assembly required, but it doesn't really look like it needs assembling. Maybe you need to attach the swing to like a switch or something, or I don't know. But it does say add water. Add water for bubbles. And if I press this button, awesome! And it says at the back, swing, spins and rock. Swing, spin, and rock. This is awesome! And it says many ways to play. And if you can see, there's Pinkie Pie. It comes with the set. There's a little fish. Also comes with the set. But what I find weird is that there's white in the fish's eyes, but not on the actual playset. Not good. And you can put some of the sea ponies in, the baby sea ponies. There's a baby sea pony way up there. And I do have a baby sea pony, but I'm not really sure where the sea pony is. Because remember when I had to redo my room and reshelf everything? A lot of the ponies I haven't put back, so it's probably in one of the boxes. And I love everything. I love the pearls. I love the seashell looking accessories. The accessories look like seaweed skirts and seashell bracelets. And oh, this is just so magical. And I'm opening up this set now. And I actually did want to get this for Christmas 2017, but I never got it. So here is the playset out of the box. I love this set. It has a swing for the fish. So adorable. I mean, this set is amazing. Sparkle ponies. I love this set. And it comes with some cakes and little drinks. And I'm getting a lot of cake and drink accessories from these sea pony playsets, like the Cantal's Equestria and this. Yeah, this is awesome. And also, I put Queen Novo on this little swing. Queen Novo sold separately. She's from the Cantal's Equestria playset. And this playset actually lights up. So cool! Now we are going to see all the bubbles light up when we put water in this set. Water is not included, and I'll do closer ups of the accessories because I haven't told you all the accessories. We'll do that when we look at the bubbles and the lights in the dark. The lagoon set. Now there's water in it. Let's turn the light on. Whoa, that's awesome. It's pitch black. Awesome. that. That is awesome. Sorry about the squeaky noise. But seriously. Wow. All the bubbles. This is wonderful. I just love the lagoon set. The bubbles are so wonderful. Besides the wonderfulness, we've seen everything, but here's a closer up. Because I always do closer up. We've got this wonderful pearl necklace. Also mirror. You can see my iPad. Just a little bit of my iPad. A little drink. Looks like a snail shell. Another one. And we've got 2 cupcakes. Here's one. Here's the other. Cardboard cut out of Applejack. I don't have this sea pony version of Applejack. Actually, I don't have sea pony Applejack at all. Swing moves. Sorry, Queen Novo. Swing moves. This rocks around. And this moves. The accessories keep falling, so sorry if you keep hearing clattering. And then we have Pinkie Pie. She's awesome, and I love a tiara. There's a pearl on it. Collector's guide. Warning sheet. And here are the instructions to put the water in and how to put some of the little accessories on. And my favourite, we've already seen it, the bubbles and the light. Oh, I just love it. Please do not forget to give my video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe for 3 new videos a week. I meant a week. Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Remember to stay magical. Bye.